What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be going to the planetarium for the first time, or, well, other people see as the broccoli dimension or something. But, yeah. Let's just quick go ahead, peer offline, so nobody joins by accident. Okay, we're gonna get pickaxe, glow stick, and I already have a shirt. No, we're gonna want a backpack. Just chuck that. There we go. We should be good. There was an update today, recently. My game just updated. And I don't know if the route to planetarium actually changed. And the route to the middle actually changed, but I guess we're gonna... Yes, it did. Okay. So, I guess... Okay, that was not the right way. I can put the starting area. I need to go. Okay. I'm gonna guess spider's here, so probably not that way. Shouldn't be that hard if we just look around a little bit. Okay, that's not a path. This is a path. Here it is. Yeah, that wasn't that hard. Okay, I definitely see something that changed. Okay. Oh, research. Not enough. Okay. That looks like that might actually be the way. So I'm gonna check that out. Okay, a research point. That's good. Can get 3 today. Okay, another research point. Okay, that we got a bunch to go by. Okay, yeah, let's not do that. I don't want to deal with the spider, but I do. Oh, it's right here. Okay, that was right. Is that my 3rd already? Okay, let's see. I guess we got the route first time. It's pretty good. Did not expect that. Okay, should we just... I know it's gonna break once we go in. Yep. Okay, well, I have not... Ooh, okay. Ooh, what does this stuff do? Oh, there's so many useless points. I'm breaking all of these. I'm getting all of this, even if I'm not getting a research point for it. Still, so loud here. Still gives me a good amount of company points. I know there's a number for broccoli, but which I don't have unlocked. But I need these coins first. And is there actually a ground here? I mean, there's a wall. Maybe the ground? Is there a ground? I kind of want to know. Okay, there's another wall. There is a ground. Oh, and there's a crate. Let's put this on my head. What's in here? What was it? Revolver ammo? I made it. Okay. So there are walls. Is there ceiling? Yeah, there's... Okay, so I'm safe here. What is that? Exclamation. Don't go there. Okay, probably don't go there then. I think I want to collect like an even amount between the normal, so I'm gonna get 12 green and 11 ink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know this update was not very recent, but I don't own broccoli, so perhaps I'm here to collect some, or just ask the other people for it. And actually, I don't think we have to count the food, so it'll be all nice and arranged. Because my backpack will be full by then. Now, we we can get any good crystals or something on the way back. Is our bag full? Oh shoot. Okay, so bag is not full. Yes, it is. Okay. Well, this. Oh, what's this? Herb? Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the. What's it called? Okay. Let's see. Stop. Well, this is where the planetarium is, I guess. Okay. Let's not die here. I'm too heavy. Too fat. Okay, there we go. Oh, weight actually isn't heavy, surprisingly. What's this way? I'm curious now. Hold on, let me get my pickaxe out just in case there's an enemy or something. Okay, so these are rare. Ooh. Company coins. Okay, so no, nothing this way. Should I take the rift or should I? Yeah, I'll take a rift actually. That's helpful. Okay, here we are. Now, should I put this in my stash? Well, let's see. What are these ads? Okay, let's not talk about these. Full. Oh yeah, that was my last video. Not in here. Ooh, there's another bag of broccoli. Should I take the 100? I should try to get to 77. That would be nice. Okay, well, I kind of want to see what does all this like broccoli do. I heard that like grows you and it shrinks you. Is pink broccoli mini? I don't know. I don't own it. Okay, pink broccoli. What are these ads? Pink broccoli is mini. I think if you're in the new. Okay. Oh wait. What if we eat more? I want to see what would happen. Oh wait. We can't stop the ads. No. What are these? Okay. Oh my goodness, our grapple is huge. Wait, I wonder if it sends us flying. Oh, we are so much lighter. We jump way farther too. Like, look at this, look at this. Oh wait, what does a rocket do while we're moving? If we can even get one, actually. I want to see. Oh, can we not buy one? Oh my god. Okay, let's just see a near comparison. Oh my goodness, I'm tiny. Look, I just have a huge backpack, a grappler, so much gear. Oh man, disappears that fast. Okay, let's eat 3 more. Okay, let's get this rocket now. This rocket is huge. Okay, let's see. I've heard that you just go really high. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, we're flying. Wait, are we gonna reach the top of the map, you think? Hold on. Oh wait, that's the top. This is the top of the map. I mean, I cannot see anything because all this. Oh my god. Let's not drop that. So there is a ceiling. Oh, here's the top of the tree. I always wanted to be here. Oh, I cannot see anything. This is so hard. I would not recommend getting mini broccoli. There we go. Okay. I can actually see now. Okay, the leaves. Ooh, I want to see what's falling like. Hold on, let's see. Oh wait, shoot. No. I don't want to go all the way back down. Oh my. Okay. Yes, I didn't take any damage. What is this? Is this cheese? Ooh. Ugh. Disgusting. Are there any new Horizon things? Nothing? Whoa, I like the cheese. Oh wait, I can get the box fan. Ooh, box fan is a good upgrade. Hold up. Spamming? How do I unsubscribe to these? I don't want them to spam me recording junk. Okay, I don't want that. That's the balloon. But how long does this effect last? Cheese effect. Okay, so it looks like here. Box fan, okay. Oh, it's only 1,000? That's a good deal. It's really cheap. I want to try the Mega Broccoli. Ooh, you know what I should do? Hold up. Let me just get back. Can this cheese effect wear off, man? I'm not that stinky. Okay, let's see. How much more mini broccoli? I may as well eat it. It's time to get... What? This game is weird. Okay, is it more mini? Okay, I guess. Why not? Why is it spamming me with ads I can't reach? This is just rigged. Oh, I cannot see anything. But I can... Oh my goodness. Bro, the grappler is huge. I cannot see. There's a bomb in my way. Wait, what if we... Whoa. Can you guys even see anything? Because... Is there a way to... Is there a way to make this wear off? Wait, how did I... When did I spend... Did I get that? No, that rocket's not 11K. There we go. Where does this cheese effect wear off? Okay. You don't want... Okay, I'll use the broccoli we want. Ooh. What if we eat? How much can we eat? Yo, hold up. You can't even see the grappler. Oh wait, yes you can. I knew. Oh my goodness. Wait. Where's my pickaxe? There it is. Oh, this grappler is like nothing. And it doesn't even grapple. Wait, hold up. Does it even grapple you to places because of how heavy you are? Oh my goodness, I'm stuck. Does it just break? Eventually? It does! Bro, the detail though. This is just like a normal tree to climb up right now. Here's the seat. That is not the ceiling. Here it is. Oh, what just happened? Okay, now I'm on the tree. I don't want these ads. How come when you eat broccoli, it gives you an ad? Okay, but until next Tuesday, the broccoli, if you just want to if you want a quick way there, if you want to eat some broccoli and you don't have it unlocked, because both of them are like 10 research points and they're like kind of far. I think I remember it. It's like you go straight one, take a right, and then you just take a left. And here we are, right here, and then you just go left, and then here we are. Let me just turn on the lights. Oh my god! Oh my god, that was scary. Bro, everybody hates the spider. Is he trying to kill me? Buddy, I have the extra health upgrade. You can't kill me. die already. Okay, I wonder if research points. Oh, but gold gives me company coins. I do need some company coins. Where's that gold at? Here it is. Okay, let's hope nothing. Oh wait, there's an effect of it now. This is actually cool. Hold up. It gives you a bunch of company coins. Did you guys see that? Hold up. What's another? Hi, Mimic. Don't mind me here. I'm just taking a peek around at the place. Did I go the wrong way? It's okay. We can test it on a different ore. So normally you would just hit it, but now I like. Yeah. Oh, here's a good spot. So I was like, so it seems is this so much more? Forgot there was a mimic. Am I safe? I cannot see anything. These ads are so annoying. Oh, he's here. He's definitely here. How do I get out? What's the way out? Oh, he's gonna kill me. Move. Don't mind me. Oh my god. Is the mimic still following me? Okay, good. Because that would not be good. Oh, wait, what's the way out again? Right. This does not seem right. You get that? I'm okay. Oh yes. Take a right. Here it is. Oh, that mimic is scary. He just appeared out of nowhere. Okay, well, I wonder. Actually, all this broccoli is making me curious. Like, here's extra pink broccoli. I don't know if I want that. How much broccoli is in this bag? We only need more ads. I don't want that. I like when you're big, you can just easily swat away the ads. Okay, two more. Okay, he's getting huge. Hold up. Let me clear these ads. Okay, I am huge. Does this explosion do anything? It does nothing? Wait, what about in landmine fields? Does it do... So we can just go like... I don't want to shrink. I'm kind of scared. Move. I can't even see that. Okay, well, the grappler actually does not work when you're big. Like, it just literally... Look at this. Look at how tight it is. It is just gonna break. Never mind. Do you guys see these skills though? Like, I actually need to be like... Did they get rid of time bomb? Oh, wait. They added... There's a bunch of monkeys on the screen. I didn't even realize that. Here's the dog. Here's the cat. I don't know what that is. Yeah, and then here's Sky right there. That's cool. Oh, and they updated this too? Maybe the update that I was expecting was not this. Like, at all. Wait. Okay. So the explosions don't do anything. What is this? Makes you disgusting. Well, that is all that we're testing today with broccoli, sadly. But make sure to tune into the next video because I'll just give you guys a hint. It's something to do with Office. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.